I want to show you a simple picture. This is a Chinese character. So if you don't know Chinese at all, today I will teach you 2 Chinese characters. First is this one. Can you all see that?
Yes.
2.
Do you know what is this? This means self. Do you know how this character is created? Why we draw self like this? We know Chinese are just like paintings. We try to convey the meaning, encode the meaning into the character. So why the self is writing like this? Let me show you another character to compare. This is another character.
King.
This is called king or leader. I think the original meaning is leader. And at the time Chinese characters are created, leaders used to be spiritual leaders. The wise person that understand the life, the meaning of life, the universe, the ways of the universe. So this is the original leader, the character. So can you see how the self is created?
No connection.
So you see, this is
No crossing.
the sky, the earth, the human, and it's connected. And this again, the sky, the human, the earth, but disconnected. So this is, I think this is our ancestors' wisdom that's passing down to us, telling us what's important and how we can be in sync, how we can harmonize. It's telling us what's blocking us from harmonizing with the human beings, with each other, with the earth, with anything that is the sense of ego, the sense of self. When we are being selfish and only thinking about self or only thinking about our small family, then we no longer are connected. We no longer are in sync with the universe. But once we let the small self go, we have compassion. We have compassion, unconditional loving kindness to the living beings, to the water, to the plants, to the animals. Then, with this compassion as a foundation, then we can be in sync. We can harmonize with everybody and everything. So harmonization and compassion are just 2 sides of the same thing. Without compassion, unconditional loving kindness, there is no harmonization. And with compassion, harmonization is just a natural expression of the compassion that's within us.